How to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Genshin Impact download, and just click on the first link that you will see on the top, and you will be landed to the official website of Genshin, and from there you can go ahead and download the game into your PC or your laptop. And you can see this kind of interface right here. Just simply click on OK, and over here you can see you will be able to see the option called download right here at the top right hand side corner, and you can also scan this particular QR code right here, and you can install the Genshin Impact mobile application in your mobile device. So just simply click on the download from the top right corner right here, and it says it will give you different options. Just simply click on PC download, and as you can see that the download process has been started right here, and it will take some time. You have to wait until then, and once it is downloaded you just simply have to install and run this particular app in your PC or in your laptop. And yeah, this is basically how simple it is to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.